the anglers. You've got Mad Dan. Hang on. I don't think so. Nah. Okay. Fuck you.
The Anglers is open. Get yourself a drink. The Anglers is open. Get yourself a drink. The Anglers is open. Get yourself a drink. I said the Anglers is open. The Anglers is open. The Anglers is open. Get yourself a drink.
Welcome to the Anglers. My name, Mad Dan. There's Marty, and this is the Anglers Grog Review. Thanks for coming back. I'm glad you did actually, because I've got a bit of a bloody thirst. A thirst for a beverage. Let's have a look. Okay. Beverage. All right. Grab the glass. All right, now. Two Birds Brewing. I think we've done a Two Birds before. Marty, there's one birds. There's two birds. Oh, it's a Sunset Ale. That's 330 mils at a 4.6% on the dot. Okay, let's have a look here. Spread your wings with Two Birds Brewing, Australia's first female-owned brewery. Okay, Sunset is an ode to WA's ruby red sunsets over the Indian Ocean and the many adventures we had when growing up watching them. Oh, well, how good's that? The old Two Birds must have grew up in bloody Western Australia watching the old bloody sunsets, and they've made a bloody beverage called Sunset Ale. Alright, now where's the old bloody... Okay, here we go. Let's check out the old pop test. Pop test, Marty. Okay, that went flying. I reckon that there was a 7. Okay, give this a bit of a pour. Let's check out what the old Sunset Ale looks like in the glass. Not bad, jeez. I didn't expect it to look so dark. I like that. Okay. Now, Marty, check this one out, would you, mate? What do you think? You like that one, mate? Oh, he likes it. Okay, he's got his head stuck in there and he likes it. Okay. Little bit of wind. If there's one thing I can't stand, it's bloody wind. Hey, you know what? Bit of rain, it's fine. Bit of hail, that's pretty cool too. Bit of snow, no fucking worries. Sunshine, wind, that can fuck right off. Now, the old bloody bit of a smell. Reminds me of something. Reminds me of a beverage I've had previously. Actually, I think I've had this one previously. Smells like a Two Birds Sunset Ale. Just gonna give it a taste. You know what? That's pretty fresh. Tastes real nice. Really cools you down. It's not too bitter. It goes down real smooth. Just gonna give that another go. You know, I don't mind that. It's really nice. The old bloody Two Birds, they've done a really good job with this one. It's kind of dark. It's real nice and brown colour. Don't mind that. Don't mind the brown. Don't mind the brown. Gonna give it a go. Oh, that's a tasty beverage. Two Birds Sunset Ale. Looks like the sun might be setting over here. And I like it. It's tasty. There's heaps of malts in that one. Get yourself one. If you see it, buy it. As for a score, that's a 42 out of 51. Thanks very much for watching. Tell your friends.